Hello viewers, welcome to Gnanadipam channel. In this video, we are going to solve mathematics question number 5 from GATE 2020 Chemical Engineering paper. Question is, consider the following continuously differentiable function v of x comma y comma z is equal to 3x square y I plus 8y square zj plus 5xyzk, where I comma j and k represent the respective unit vectors along the x comma y comma and z directions in the Cartesian coordinate system. The curl of this function is. So here we have some options. So they asked us to find the curl of the given vector function. Curl of the vector function is defined in this way. So del cross f. Here fx, fy, fz are functions in all the three directions in the 3D plane. So here fx, fy, fz values are, this is fx 3x square y, and fy is 8y square z, and fz is 5xyz. So we'll substitute in this det fx, fy, fz and we'll simplify. We'll see how to solve. So del cross v is equal to ijk dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z. Fx is 3x square y. So I write 3x square y. Here 8y square z. So 8y square z. Then 5xyz. So 5xyz. So this is determinant. We have to find the determinant of this. Then while finding the determinant, first we'll solve. The first step is here, if you consider three rows and 3 columns, cross these two, first row and the first column, then do the operation for the remaining 4 terms. Here I am on the first term, that is I term. So for the I term, we have to take dou by dou y of 5xyz. So 5xyz minus dou by dou z of 8y square z. 8y square z. It's equal to dou by dou y of 5xyz is 5xz. Differentiation with respect to y, it's 1. Y value becomes 1. Then differentiation with respect to z, here z terms become 1, then we'll get 8y square. So the first term is I of 5xz minus 8y square. Then we'll move to the second term. For finding the second term in the determinant, so consider again 3 rows and 3 columns. We have 3 rows and 3 columns. So you want the second term. So cross the second row and the first row and the second column. Then the remaining 4 terms you have to consider. So here for the second term we'll write minus j. So minus j dou by dou x of 5xyz minus dou by dou z of 3x square y. So here minus j with respect to x, differentiation with respect to x, we'll get the result 5yz. Then here there is no z term, so we'll get 0. The second term is minus j 5yz. Then the third term, k term. So for the third term, exclude the last column and the first column. Then we have to consider these 4. So here dou by dou x of, so dou by dou x of 8y square z, 8y square z minus dou by dou y of 3x square, 3x square y. Now differentiation with respect to x, there is no x term here, so it's partial differentiation. All the other terms are considered as 0. Differentiation of constant is 0. Then here the y term, if you differentiate with respect to y, we'll get minus 3x square. Then the third term is minus 3x square k. Now if you combine all the terms, del cross v, the answer is del cross v is equal to 5xz minus 8y square I minus 5yzj plus, okay, here also minus, we have minus 3x square. Okay, this is the final answer, and this answer is in option C. So option C is the correct answer for this question. I hope you understood the concept to solve this question. If you have any doubts, please write it in the comment box. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.